What's the meaning of this? What's this? What am I supposed to do with this?
Clean the living room.
Clean the living room. When I'm working, you can see that I'm working. I'm in the middle of work.
Are you the only one that works? Don't I work? I'm asking you, David. Don't I run an online store, but I still find time to clean this house? In fact, I have cleaned the kitchen and our bedroom, so why can't you clean the living room?
Priority and timing. Priority. Work that I'm doing. This timing. Wrong timing.
Bravo! Man of the house. Priority. You know the right time to do the things you want to do. As a woman now, I have to clean, cook, and warm your bed whenever you want, but not anymore, David. This is about balance. So you either choose balance or you choose work.
No, I choose to go somewhere else if you're not going to let me do this work in peace. Give me back my laptop.
Clean this living room this minute or watch me dump this thing into the bucket of water.
No, you're not going to do that.
I would so do it. Don't dare me.
Give me back my laptop.
David, don't try me.
I'm in the middle of work. Can't you see? Give me back.
David, clean this living room. Work can wait.
Linda.
You are such a freaking liar, David.
You call me that.
You were at the bar with a woman. You did not go there to clear your head. Okay. You did not know you will see my friend at the bar. Okay?
Why would Mirabel lie to you?
You tell me. Tell me why my friend will be lying against my own husband.
No, the question should be, why would you be ready to believe anything about me in a heartbeat without hearing from me?
Why shouldn't I believe? David, you just told me you were at the office, you had a long day. Why didn't you tell me you went to the bar with another woman? Why?
You know what? I had a very long day and if you don't mind, I want to go in.
You will not see, David, you will not go in. I have all the time in the world with you today. I am so freaking tired of holding this marriage, okay? I am tired of the lies. I am tired of you going from one woman to another. I am so tired.
Nah, I'm going from one woman to the other.
Yes, you are.
Really?
Yes.
That's what you look at me and say.
I will say it to you over and over again. You will not go inside. David, you will not. You see that woman you went to at the bar? You will go and meet that woman this night. You think I'm joking?
So where am I supposed to sleep?
That's up to you. You're not sleeping in this house. Leave.
Really?
Yes.
Linda, listen to me. If I walk out of this door, I'm definitely not coming back tonight.
David, you listen to me. I don't care. Go back to wherever you're coming from.
This is still a bit crooked.
Hey, this is the 5th time you're adjusting the tie. I'm going to work, not the altar.
It has to be perfect. You have to dress the way you want to be addressed. And that girl at the office, the one that won't stay off, the one that smiles like a sheep.
Babe, she's just being polite.
Polite, you say?
Yes.
No woman smiles like that except she has plans.
Oh, God.
Tell her that if I should see her smile at you again, she will see the evil side of me.
So you're the only Igbo woman in the entire world, huh?
If you want to find out, let her smile at you.
Okay, again. I've been warned, I won't do it. By the way, thanks for dressing me up.
Thank you.
Do I look good?
Of course, my husband.
And the entire eye.
Only me, oh, not other women.
All right, baby. I'll see you later.
Hello.
All right. Goodbye.
One how?
Nope.
I'm not joking.
I've heard. Tina, how are you?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Let me take that for you.
Thank you. Well, I hope this is going to be a good day, and this will not be one of those days where we have a long day, all work, and do not have time to have lunch.
Well, you know how it is on Mondays in this office.
First disappointment of the day.
Welcome.
Let's get to work, shall we?
Yes.
All right.
Financial department has been buzzing with lots of demand from China and Australia. But how do I hit the target? What do I do? How do I hit that target?
Okay, first of all, what's their website?
So your email.
My email?
Yeah. You okay, man?
Yeah, I'm okay. It's on my email.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, there it is. There it is. So first and foremost, I think you need to do a survey on their market and babe.
Yes, baby.
Babe.
Hmm?
Babe, now.
Yes, babe, what?
So I just remember this funny gist from work that I didn't give you. So there's this girl. Her name is Amanda, or is it Amaka or something? I don't know. But I hired her. She's new and she's been bossing everybody around. So today I think she was trying to give instructions or something. And as soon as she was coming down the stairs, 1, 2, 3, she fell down. Flat. Wow. Babe, look at me as I'm giving you this gist now.
I'm listening to you.
Before she went down the 3rd step, she just fell down. Crashing. It was so funny.
Her name is Amaka and Amanda, and you remember it very well.
Yeah, I don't know, but she works for me now, so of course I know her name.
You remember that she fell, that she was walking down the stairs, and everybody was laughing.
Baby, that's obvious this.
I'm sure you even know what she was wearing. The dress, whether it's a dress, whether it's a skirt, or is it bone straight? Was she wearing a bone straight or a pixie curl? Tell me. Minister of Information.
It's just office gist I'm giving you. What's the problem?
Office gist. Your new HR, her name is maybe Amanda or Amaka. She was walking down the stairs, she fell and they were laughing. Is that what you went to work to do, Mr. David? Mr. David, you went to work to look at a woman walk, fall down the stairs and laugh. I'm sure you even helped her. Good Samaritan. Father Christmas. Did you not help her?
You know
skipped
what?
that part.
I'm just going to sit down and eat.
Hey, you have to eat. You need to eat because after laughing out your lungs, you are hungry, you need to eat. You went to office, your workplace, where you're supposed to be focused.
For God's sake, are you still talking about this?
Why
Can we rest?
Talk about it?
HR was trying to work and she fell. Is it not okay?
Your HR, somebody you employed, somebody you're paying. She was working. Instead of this, you are seeing her coming. Be focused. Be on your laptop or something. You are looking at a woman working. No, that's not enough.
I'm just giving you gist now. Can't I have peace?
What gist? Did you go to work to look at a woman and come back and give me gist?
Did I tell you I was looking at her? I saw her.
You know? How did you see her? Was it you saw her? Was it your nose you used in seeing her? You even said you laughed. How did you laugh? Then after laughing, oh my, I'm so sorry. Let me help you. I'm sure you helped her. Am I lying?
You know what? I've lost my appetite.
No, you made me cook this food, though. You just told me about a woman and I'm trying to address you. Where are you going? Come and eat your food, oh, Mr. David.
Leave me alone.
Focus. When you go to work, focus on work. Stop going about looking at different women walking. Haba. Please be focused, though. Be very focused, David. You're a businessman. Focus on business and leave women. You have a wife at home. If you see her coming left, you go right. Haba. Is that too hard for you to do? See, just you even kept it in your head. You had her name, Amaka, Amanda. Tomorrow it's going to be Beatrice or Cynthia. You better come and eat your food. It's meaning. Every day you tell me I'm going to work, baby, have a wonderful day, only for you to go to the office and you're looking at a woman. It be like I go to follow you go down your office.
Linda, we need to talk. I'm not angry, but we just need to straighten things out.
I'm listening.
Lately, you've been acting like I'm hiding something. Like I'm guilty of something I haven't done. You're acting this way because I shared office gist with you about a female worker. Really?
I don't like the idea of a woman being around my husband.
So it's a sin to have a good laugh over someone tripping with a cup of coffee.
David, you're a good man. You're responsible. You're charming. That's exactly what makes you desirable.
So, being desirable now is a sin.
How many times do I have to say this? I don't want to have to share you. Not in thoughts, not in actions, not in conversations, not at your office. I know these women. I know what they are capable of. I don't trust them.
And trust me. I chose you. I got married to you. We're a team. Okay, we need to stand side by side. You don't have to be at war with everyone. Just be at peace with me.
I read you. I don't know, Mirabelle.
He believes I'm doing too much. He said I should trust him, but I have nothing to worry about.
Hey girl, that's what they all say, my dear. Yes, that's what they all say. Until you know it, he's driving one secretary to the antenatal.
God forbid. God forbid. David should not try me. Like he shouldn't even dare. Luckily, I've been watching him carefully. And so far, so good. I haven't really seen anything. So,
Hey, You don't wait till you see anything. Don't you get it? It's like you don't know this man. You have to take matters into your own hands. Okay, but let me ask you. Have you noticed anything suspicious, like him talking about any woman or something, or even mention names? Something?
Nothing suspicious in his acts, but names, once in a while, small talks. Like yesterday, he spoke about one Amaka, Amanda.
Aha! That is it. Yes, today is Amaka or Amanda. Tomorrow, guess what? They're having lunch. Next tomorrow, they'll probably be having late night meetings.
I can't even stand the thoughts of another woman being around him. Not even in a conversation.
Well, you shouldn't. Your instinct is protecting your home in case you don't know. So you shouldn't do it.
God. I know these women. I know them. I know what they can do. I won't relax. I can't lose my husband for them. Never.
Relax. Relax how? Babe, you cannot relax so. Oh yes, like I said, you have to take matters into your own hands. You shouldn't stand any woman coming this close to your man. No, don't apologize for protecting what is yours. Okay?
Right. You're right. I don't even know what. It's fine. Let me get you something. So,
Yeah, I don't mind.
your usual
Of
wine.
course.
Man.
This man.
You
They will stain your white and leave you in shambles. Men. Can't trust them.
Please come in. Oh,
Good morning, sir.
good morning.
The final proposal is ready, so I thought to walk you through it before the client comes.
Oh, that's good. Have a seat.
Thank you. Okay, so the executive summary is concise now. I moved the financials to the back because you mentioned it was too heavy up front.
This is good. You always know how to set the tone, right?
I'm just trying to make it look good.
No, honestly, this is solid work. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. I mean, you're very clear with your vision, so that's helpful. Is everything okay?
Yes, everything's fine. Okay, I'll go through this.
Okay.
And once again, solid work.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
I'll just be outside in case you need to run through it again.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, come in. Hey.
What's wrong? Can I sit?
Yeah, of course. Have a seat.
You look like you're carrying the whole of Lagos on your head.
More like I'm carrying my marriage. My wife is always on my neck.
Is it Tina's matter?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, wow. Are you sure you're not giving extra vibes?
Extra vibes?
Yeah.
No. Strictly work. So the thing is, Tina and I work closely. You already know that.
Mm-hmm.
I like her because she's good at her job. She understands what I need her to do before I even say it. But that's it.
Listen, man, sometimes women can sense extra energy you're giving up. You don't even know you're giving up.
Guy, I've been careful. Okay, I close from work and I come straight home. But still, my wife is always on the edge.
Okay. Maybe this is not even about you or Tina. Maybe she's just insecure because she loves you.
Insecure about what? Insecure about what? So what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to walk on eggshell for the rest of my life because she's insecure?
Bro, she loves you. She does. From the look of things. Talk to her as a man that you are. Don't argue with her. Bro, if it's prayer, pray. If not therapy, go for therapy. Don't allow this silence cause you a lot of damage. On you.
Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. I need to heal, want to breathe again, just to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy of better tomorrow. To breathe again, cheers to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy.
Madam, what do you mean? The budget is not out of pocket. Yes. If you ask me, the budget is perfect the way it is. Okay, if you want us to make changes, we can make changes to it. I can't do it. Of course, I'll do anything for you. Yes, of course. No, anything you want me to do, just let me know. Okay, so, all right, I will effect the changes right now in the budget and I'll resend it to you. Of course, ma'am. Is there any other thing you need? Okay, just that. All right, I'll send it to you. Everything is fine, ma. Oh, she's fine. All right. Okay. All right, you too. Bye, ma. All right.
You always sound so smooth whenever you're talking to your female clients.
What's that supposed to mean?
And now all the, if you want anything, let me know. Of course, I'll do anything for you. What's all that now? Is that business?
First of all, babe, I'm talking to Miss Onyebuchi. And you know that I've been working with the woman for the past 3 years.
No, 3 years. So maybe one day I should expect her to come into this house, hoping to have a brief with you, a brief meeting with you.
So now you're suspecting that I flirt with every female client I talk to?
What I am saying is that you will love the attention they are giving to you, especially when it's an attention that is not coming from your wife.
Really?
Yes, really. You're a married man. Comport yourself. What's all this? Let me know if you need anything. Be professional.
Okay, come and do my job.
Beg.
No, come and do the job. You think you're better at it?
How will they know you're a married man, like you're serious?
Didn't you hear when she asked, how is your wife?
I beg you. She's asking about your wife. She wants to know now if I'm still with you. So that one day she will come into this house and take over as the woman of the house. You think I don't know? I know your plans, but it will not work. Comport yourself. You're a married man. Put yourself together. Stop laughing so much. Beg.
I can't win. I can't. Oh. Hello? James, how far? Where you there, beg? Guy, no day. Where you there? I just won't come up for this house, man. This woman won't kill me. Trouble every day. I'm tired. Okay. Right now? Okay, okay. Let me just pack this up and I'll be with you soon, okay? Ooh. Ooh. Babe.
Come on in.
I
don't want to wake you. You need a rest.
I'm so sorry about last night.
No. Don't apologize. It's me.
It's you.
Yes.
What do you mean? What are you talking about?
It's me. I have been holding on too tightly. Too afraid to lose you that I didn't even realize that I was pushing you away.
Hey. I keep telling you this. We are on the same team. There's no you without me. There's no me without you. It's us. A house divided against itself cannot stand. Let's go for therapy.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you.
I love you so much. Been on this thing for so long now.
Babe, I'm cutting with precision now.
At this point, Zina will be ready by midnight.
Relax.
Can you stop me? Stop it. Okay, I want you to try this and just tell me if I missed anything. Salt, spice. Tell me something.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's missing something, babe. It's missing the chef's kiss.
Behave yourself,
Okay.
Mr. Precision Cutter.
Yeah, so do you really need this thing or you just want to put me under pressure?
I need it urgently, babe.
Okay,
please.
okay, fine, alright.
Incoming.
Babe, hurry up, oh.
Eh? Wow.
What?
So you started without me already?
No, now they've not really gone far. Don't
Not
you?
really
Don't.
gone far. Well done. There you go.
Serious.
Nice. Cheers.
You know that girl looks like you, right? You're just the final version.
Better. Mm-hmm. What? I'm vain?
You're so vain.
I learned from the best.
I miss this us.
Me too. I like that there is no tension, just peace.
Yeah. So who used to bring the tension before?
You tell me.
I will tell you.
Tell me.
It's not you.
It's who?
It's you now.
Is he Mr. David?
It's me.
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know exactly what I'm talking about.
I don't know what you're talking about.
This film, are we going to finish it?
It depends.
Yeah, I'm tired though.
Ah,
Let's go and act our own film.
what's the title of this film you want us to act?
Making a baby.
Oh my god. Okay.
We should leave the film a bit. We'll complete it later.
You're right.
Let's go.
Just making a baby sounds more interesting. I'm telling you.
Who will be the actors?
You, the male lead, and
You.
the female lead.
Female lead, you now.
Female.
How many babies are we making?
How many do you want us to make?
We'll make like 4.
4.
2.
Let's make 10.
Triplets.
Like, let's make
2 plates, 4 plates, 5 plates.
like 12.
Ha! Who's belly?
You said 4.
Who will breastfeed them?
You said 12.
Beyond the beauty lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. Beyond the glamour,
Whew.
beyond the beauty.
That wasn't as bad as I thought it would be.
Wasn't bad. It was okay.
I mean, I really feel lighter explaining my side and getting to explain how I've been feeling this past few weeks.
Yeah, and hearing you speak, I feel like I understand you better.
Yeah. But then again, it was just me talking in there. You barely said anything.
Babe, I didn't have anything to say.
You sure?
Yes, I am sure.
Well, if it feels this good, then imagine if we go to other sessions and complete the entire process.
Is that really necessary?
Babe, he said it's necessary.
Babe, you said what you had to say now. I've heard you, and I promise to do better.
So just one session and you think we're fine?
Are we not?
I mean,
I think, okay, you know what? If we have time.
Okay, if we have time.
If we have time.
Okay.
Let's just go.
Why are you in a hurry to go?
What do you want, Mr. David?
Nothing. I love you. Okay. Be in front now.
I want to be beside you.
Go in front first. I have plans. I want to admire my investments. My property. My investments. My actually.
You know you should actually pay another bride.
I beg you, I've paid finish. Any extra money nice. No.
Need more, let me know, okay?
Okay, that'll be it, babe. Thank you. Breakfast tastes better with love.
Maybe it's because you're less annoying in the mornings now.
Touche.
Are you sure you're good? Assuming it's spent.
I know, that's because I am. I have back-to-back meetings. I might show up late.
Don't skip dinner entirely.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And remember to breathe in between meetings. You can't solve the whole problem in the world. You're not Superman.
All right, baby. I'll do that. Wait, I thought I was your Superman.
Yeah, you're my Superman, not at the office.
Okay. All right.
I love you.
Love you.
That was it, bro. I mean, that was a great comeback. You look like you just had a great comeback. Look at you looking calm, well calculated, like you just came back from a retreat or something.
Go close enough. Marriage therapy.
You, David, Mr. I'll fix it. You went for a marriage therapy.
Listen, it's the best decision that we've made in a very long time.
Wow.
Yeah.
But really, how are things with you and Linda?
Much better. Much better. Thing is, I feel heard and I think she understands me better. Yeah.
Wow. I mean, I'm excited. That's what real connection is all about. Like true love. And look at you, talking like you are a real marriage counselor. My man.
Listen, I am excited these days to go home. We eat together.
Wow.
We talk, we laugh,
Wow.
and we...
Okay. Happy for you, bro.
Thank you, man. You've always had my
Amazing.
back. Once again, I do appreciate your input in all of this.
Amen.
Yeah.
There's a little I can do.
And it's back to business time, and I'm back to being your boss, so get out of my office.
My man. I'll see you later, man.
All right.
All right, man.
Yeah. Whew. This boy. Hey, beautiful. Yes, I am. Just trying to finish up a little work in the office. Listen, do not make me run out of here. That's tempting. But I have a few things to finish up at the office and I have one last meeting to attend, so I will be home late. Okay. I'll be with you shortly and thank you for calling. This really helped. One last question before you hang up. Who's the UK Finance Minister again? You're so smart. Thank you. I love you. Okay, so
Okay, so maybe we should just leave the Lagos report and suppliers contracts for...
No. I understand that you're tired, but we need to finish the report. I'll run the contracts tomorrow. Okay?
Sounds good.
Let me have that.
Oh, here you go. Sorry.
Do you live far from here?
Not really. Just 25 minutes away.
Okay. I'll drop you off. It's too late for you to take an Uber home.
Thank you. That's very kind.
That's provided you don't sleep and let me do all the typing.
I wouldn't dare. I
Okay.
would try it.
Help me take a look at this figure. Is it 100 million?
Sorry, let me just hold on. One
Okay.
sec.
What did you come up with?
That's around 350.
350. Okay, 350. Hey, babe. How are you?
Are you back?
Yeah, I am. I'm sorry about the text. I forgot.
It's okay. You had a long day.
I did. How about you? How was your day?
It's okay.
Let's go inside.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on. Baby.
Okay.
Babe, today was brutal. I had meetings upon meetings upon meetings. I didn't even have time to eat. I was so tired, man. I almost felt like sleeping at the office.
I miss your bed. Not possible.
I'm telling you, Jerry.
David.
Okay, that sounded serious. What's going on?
You have a text.
Yeah, it was just Tina now. It's
You
nothing.
dropped her off. David.
We were working late and that was the right thing to do.
The right thing? Huh? What about respecting your wife?
So you're putting me under scrutiny because why? I was being a decent human being?
David, you dropped your assistant at her house and you conveniently forgot to mention it to me.
Well, I didn't know that I needed permission from my wife before I dropped my worker.
It is not about permission.
It's about what?
Transparency, about respect, okay?
Listen to me, Linda. I had a long day. I didn't have lunch. I'm not gonna have dinner because it's too late. So what I need right now is to go into that bathroom, have a shower, and sleep. And if you have a problem with me dropping my worker off, bring it up tomorrow. Okay? Not tonight.
You're going to make me panic. You're going to make me feel like I don't have the right to feel this way, right? David!
Babe, I'm ready to go. You're not saying anything.
What do you want me to say?
We can't go acting like last night didn't happen.
I wasn't dreaming, so I am not acting.
I've told you 1,000 times and over, nothing is going on between Tina and I.
Yet, you refuse to tell me you dropped her home.
But it's not a secret.
Neither is it the truth.
I'm running late, Linda.
Hello, Mom. Yeah, I'm fine. Please, I have a question. Do you ever feel like the person you love is slipping away and you're the one pushing them? I don't know. Maybe I'm too much, or maybe I'm not enough. Yes. I have to be strong. Yes, Mom. Okay, Ma. Okay, Ma. I'll keep my head up. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Ma.
Wait, babe, what's happening now? You sounded so worried last night. What's going on? What's the problem?
David got home late last night. Apparently, he was working with his assistant. And afterwards, he went to drop her at her place.
Wait. Tina!
Yes, Tina! He didn't want to tell me, oh. He did not want to tell me, but you see, God, he works in mysterious ways. He was in the bathroom, left his phone on the bed, close to me. Boom! A message pops up on his phone from her. Thank you for dropping me. I hope you got home safe.
No now. That sounds too friendly for an assistant.
Can you imagine? Do you know that when I brought this thing up, this man was trying to be defensive as if I had no right to be concerned?
You have every right, oh. My friend, you have every right to ask questions. You are his wife, not some stranger on the streets, for Christ's sake.
God will bless you, Mirabel. God will bless you because this man was trying to guilt-trip me. He was making me feel like I was insane for questioning him. I will not sit down. No. I will not sit and watch another woman walk her way into my home through a professional.
Exactly, my friend. You are right. See, you cannot fold your arms now and watch. You can't do it. You have to keep your eyes open and your energy intact.
Yes. And if David wants, he can get angry, he can get pissed. I don't care. My feelings are valid. He will not make me feel wrong for feeling that way.
Exactly. Now that's my girl that is talking. That's the Linda I know. Always smart and 10 steps ahead of everyone and everybody. See, babe, just do what you have to do, but make sure you remain graceful and firm.
Yes. Graceful and firm.
Exactly. Graceful and firm.
He has not seen anything.
Hi.
Not.
Man.
You see men?
Man.
They will stain your white, your orange, your pink and green. He has not seen anything yet. I swear. He hasn't seen anything yet. Please sit. Don't see, let me get you something to eat. Very silly.
Thank you for dropping me home. Hey! Can never be me.
Yes, hello, Tina. I'm with you, All right, so copy this and then send the legal as well. This is nice work, I must commend you. Oh yeah, you're doing a fantastic job. You know, I never regret for 1 minute why I hired you. Thank you so much. Maybe a salary increment soon. All right, bye. See you tomorrow at work. Thank you.
Father Christmas.
Babe, I'm ready. I'm ready to go to work, babe. See you when I'm back.
You left your cup and plate on the dining table. Go and wash them.
I know you're not being serious. I'll take care of them as you always
I
do.
said you left your cup and plate on the dining table.
Go and wash them.
I don't understand. Since when did I start taking care of dishes after eating and I'm going to work?
Since today. Since I realized that I do everything and still get unappreciated.
Oh, this is not about place, is it?
It is. It's about everything. It's about respect, about balance, about you seeing me as more than a domestic and emotional dumping ground.
So you standing here and telling me that I don't respect you, that's what you're trying to say?
I don't care. I don't care. Just go and wash your plate and cup.
So this is you fighting back?
This is about boundary.
This is not you.
That's the point.
I'm going to work.
David, go and wash the plate and cup. You use them, you wash them. It's that simple.
For you.
What's the meaning of this? What's this? What am I supposed to do with this?
Clean the living room.
Clean the living room. When I'm working, you can see that I'm working. I'm in the middle of work.
Are you the only one that works? Don't I work? I'm asking you, David. Don't I run an online store, but I still find time to clean this house? In fact, I have cleaned the kitchen and our bedroom, so why can't you clean the living room?
Priority and timing. Priority. Work that I'm doing. This timing. Wrong timing.
Bravo! Man of the house. Priority. You know the right time to do the things you want to do. As a woman now, I have to clean, cook, and warm your bed whenever you want, but not anymore, David. This is about balance. So you either choose balance or you choose war.
No, I choose to go somewhere else if you're not going to let me do this work in peace. Give me back my laptop.
Clean this living room this minute or watch me dump this thing into the bucket of water.
No, you're not going to do that.
I would so do it. Don't dare me.
Give me back my laptop.
David, don't try me.
I'm in the middle of work. Can't you see? Give me back.
David, clean this living room. Work can wait.
Linda. Hello. Yeah, please give me 20 minutes. I'll get back to our meeting. Sorry for the interruption. Okay, bye.
This glow. Hey, I'm loving this new energy. What's going on? Tell me.
For the first time in this marriage, I finally feel seen. Not just as a wife, but as a woman who knows her worth.
That's the spirit. Look, you know, you've been carrying so much for too long. I'm so glad that you're beginning to draw the line.
You know, I used to feel like I had to tiptoe to keep peace. But peace with him was costing me peace with myself.
So, my friend, tell me, what changed? What gave you that push?
I got tired of begging for peace in my own home. I got tired of protecting someone who wouldn't protect me the same way. Now we share the work, the responsibility, the respect. It's either balance or nothing at all.
Ha! That's my girl. You see, you've stepped into your power and it suits you so well.
You can say that again.
Hey!
And you know the funny thing? He is learning very fast.
Nice one, my friend. See, don't stop. You see this energy? Keep it going. Okay? Don't change for any reason. And make sure you keep your head straight and your crown higher.
My head is high.
Exactly.
History will not repeat itself.
Never. I'm loving this. Like, I'm so loving this new you. That's the Linda I know now. Come on. My friend, let's cheers to that.
Cheers to peace.
Yes.
Baby. Ooh, we need to talk.
It's okay.
Come now.
Okay. Talk about.
Okay, so babe, I've been thinking about us. The tension, the fights. Lately, we barely even smile at each other. And I want us to fix that.
Thank you.
Yeah. I know I've gotten comfortable with the way we've been doing things. But I want to be better. I want to support you. I hear you. I see you.
Okay. I appreciate that. Truly. And I'm not angry, David. I'm just not going to stay silent anymore.
Yes, I agree. But while we do that, can we loosen up the stiffness and find our rhythm again?
It will.
Okay.
But the part of us sharing chores still remains. I'm not backing down on that.
Figured you say that. Okay.
I don't think I'm punishing you. It's about balance, partnership, respect. Okay?
Okay. We'll figure it out. And in the spirit of balance, respect.
Sir, the vendors list you requested for is here. Also, Mr. Adikule called to confirm the 2 p.m. for virtual meeting. Sir? I was saying the vendors list is ready as you requested. And Mr. Adikule called to confirm 2 p.m. for the virtual meeting. Is everything okay?
Yeah, everything is fine. Just brain overload. So,
Okay. Sorry, sir. I just want to say, I know that you work really, really hard, but please take care of yourself. I'll be outside. Sir, I got you lunch. I figured you might have forgotten to eat today again.
that?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
You didn't get some for yourself?
Yes, I did. I'll eat at my desk.
Thank you. Okay.
Enjoy.
Hey, Mom.
How are you, my daughter?
I am fine. In fact, I am better than fine.
That's my daughter. You sound strong, and I like it.
Yes. I just realized I've spent so much time making life easy for everyone, especially David, that I've forgotten to even take care of myself. Not anymore.
Listen, good marriage doesn't mean you will lose yourself. Linda, you at home doesn't make you a house help. Remember, balance is very important.
Exactly. I've started sharing chores with him. At first, he was surprised, but now he's learning.
You are doing well, and I'm proud of you. My dear, do not let anyone guilt you into shrinking. Stand your ground with love. Yes, and with strength.
Thank you, Mom. I really wanted to hear this.
I am always on your side. Remember, Linda, a good man will always adjust if he truly values you.
You're right.
Yes.
I'm so glad I have you, Mom. Thank you. You will learn to adjust. This is just the beginning. Just getting started.
Hey, babe.
Hey,
How's your day?
that's good.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah, hectic. Babe, I'm hungry. Can you get me something to eat?
It's your turn to make dinner, remember?
Babe, stop now. This is not the time for jokes. I'm really famished.
Do I look like I'm joking?
Listen, babe. I need you to get me something to eat.
I made breakfast.
Okay, yeah.
And I cleaned up after. It is your turn to make dinner, like we agreed.
So I had a long day at work and you're telling me this?
So you think I have been seated here all day, lazying myself? Am I not working?
Huh.
David, it is your turn. Oh, better. Just go ahead. Go make it.
No, say.
No, it is your turn to make dinner. It's that simple.
Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. I need to heal, want to breathe again, just to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy of better tomorrow. I need to heal, want to breathe again, cheers to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy of better tomorrow. Better tomorrow, hey, of better tomorrow.
Am I eating? This Yes, I'm up.
Why?
Waiting for my husband who is now into late nights.
Oh, I'm sorry. I had a lot of things to do at the office.
Office? Really? Office?
Yeah, where else would I be but the office?
You were at the bar.
What?
David, you were at the bar. Mirabel told me she saw you there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I was at the bar, yes, and I just went there to clear my head and called Mirabel. We talked for a bit. What?
You are such a freaking liar, David.
You call me that?
You were at the bar with a woman. You did not go there to clear your head.
Okay.
You did not know you will see my friend at the bar. Okay?
Why would Mirabel lie to you?
You tell me. Tell me why my friend will be lying against my own husband.
No, the question should be, why would you be ready to believe anything about me in a heartbeat without hearing from me?
Why shouldn't I believe? David, you just told me you were at the office, you had a long day. Why didn't you tell me you went to the bar with another woman? Why?
You know what? I had a very long day, and if you don't mind, I want to go in.
You will not see, David, you will not go in. I have all the time in the world with you today. I am so freaking tired of holding this marriage, okay? I am tired of the lies. I am tired of you going from one woman to another. I am so tired.
Nah, I'm going from one woman to the other.
Yes, you are.
Really?
Yes.
That's what you look at me and say.
I will say it to you over and over
want to
again.
go inside.
You will not go inside. David, you will not. You see that woman you went to at the bar? You will go and meet that woman this night. You think I'm joking?
So where am I supposed to sleep?
That's up to you. You're not sleeping in this house. Leave.
Really?
Yes.
Linda, listen to me. If I walk out of this door, I'm definitely not coming back tonight.
David, you listen to me. I don't care. Go back to wherever you're coming from.
So much for keeping this family together.
Please come in.
Okay. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah.
You're welcome. Please have a seat.
You have a nice place.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah, is everything okay?
Yes. No, not really. Look, I didn't want to be alone in the hotel tonight, so my best friend is not around. He's not been around for a week now, so I
No,
just
sir,
needed...
it's okay. You really don't have to explain. It's fine. It's okay. Have you had something to eat?
Oh no, I'm not hungry. I just need to sleep.
Okay.
Yeah, I can just stay here.
No,
if you
no.
don't mind.
Please, no. It's okay. Just give me some time to go fix up the bedroom for you. I'll take the couch.
I don't mind wanting to.
Sir, it's totally fine. I'm actually smaller, so it's okay. I'll give me a minute. I'll be right back.
Yeah, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So you're dressed for work already?
Yes, I'm ready to leave. You were sleeping really peacefully, so I didn't want to wake you up.
Oh yeah, of course I slept like a log.
Looked like you needed the rest.
Yeah, thank you for the space, of course, and the quiet, the peace.
Anytime.
Yeah.
Also, I made you breakfast. It's on the table.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. So I'll go to the office. Please don't forget my key. Bring the key to the office, please.
Yes, of course, I'll bring it.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you later.
Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. I need to heal, want to breathe again, just to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy of better tomorrow. I need to heal, want to breathe again, cheers to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday.
Come in. What are you doing here?
I came to see my friend.
I asked a question. I didn't say you should come in. What are you doing here?
Come on, why are you shouting? I said I came to see my friend. Where is she?
Mirabelle. Mirabelle, don't let me lose my temper. Get out of my house. Mirabelle, I said get out of my house.
Calm down. You know, I like this shirt. Have you been working out or something?
Mirabelle, I said don't touch me. Get out of my house.
You know, if your wife don't see what she has.
She does. She does very. Mirabelle. So this is who you are. A shameless harlot. Mirabelle.
Calm down. I was just talking.
I should calm down. You will see calmness. Don't worry. Stay.
Madam,
You had the
down. I was
You
just
had the guts to come to my house and talk to my husband. Get up, get up, get up. No, you shouldn't have gone now. Useless one. Where are you? David, you!
Stop it, stop
I will
it.
not stop anything. Are you mad? So you were here, she was touching you. You were standing like a log of wood, David!
Linda, are you blind? Didn't you say I told her to get out?
You told her to get out. She was all over you, touching you. She almost kissed you. Are you not ashamed of yourself, David?
So what am I supposed to do?
You
Hit her
are-
with a stick just like
Hit
you?
her! Yes! Hit her! We're a married one, David. So the women you talk to in your office, the women that you touch, they're not enough for you. It's my friend Mirabelle you want to go to. You are wicked. You are shameless. You want to move with my friend Mirabelle. How could you? Are you not ashamed of of yours. You're a shameless man. You are a very shameless man. Ha!
You know what? Since this house has become a war zone, I will leave.
You want to go out and meet her? I said come back here. You're not going anywhere. You want to go and meet Mirabe, right? You want to... Me and you will go and meet her together. Shameless man. Wait. David, you are trying me. You think you will leave this house, David? You think I'm joking? You want to go and meet Mirabe? Come and leave now. Let me see. Except you want to hate me, then let me say you leave this place. Shameless man. Shameless man. No, shameless man. Come and see. I'm married to a shameless man, people. Shameless man. That is what you are.
Get out of my way.
I will not move.
Get out of my way. Get out of my way. I said, get out. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. Get out.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. You're good. It's okay.
Yeah. I hope this is not a bad time.
It's okay.
Is there one more step?
Yeah. Just keep moving. We're almost there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. There's the couch. So.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, no, this
okay.
way, this way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, right here.
Here. Oh.
So we need to call someone, maybe James, your friend, anyone at all. We need to, sir. Sir. We need to call someone. Just. What did he even say his wife's name? Madam Yusuf, pick up now. Pick up.
I have a headache. Hey, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the inconvenience. I hope I didn't destroy anything.
Oh no, it's fine.
Yeah, okay. I'll just be on my way.
Your phone?
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
I really don't mean to intrude in whatever it is that's happening, but is everything okay at home?
What do you mean?
I mean, the other night you slept here. Last night you still came back. So I just have questions. That's all.
Is a home truly a home when it doesn't feel like? I'm sorry, I need to go.
Oh, yes.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Sorry. Hey man, you okay man?
Yeah,
I've been
I'm
gone
good.
for 2 weeks, but your face looks like it's been 2 years. What's going on?
It's my wife. But you know what? I'm tired. I don't want to talk about it. I'll come back.
Come on man, is this how you want to go about it? Tell me, what's the problem?
I'm tired. At this point, if she wants to go to war, she can go to war alone. I'm not going to fight. I need peace. She can fight alone. I'm tired. I don't want to try again.
Hey man, take it easy. Just take it easy, man. No matter what you do, just easy does it.
Yeah, I'll come back. I need to go.
All right, man. Safe. Drive safe.
Yeah.
Yes, I understand. Mr. Andrew, I understand. I do. I promise you. He's going to sign the papers as soon as possible and I'll send them to you. No, it's just... That's fine. That's fine. 2 days. 2 days is fine. Please, I'll get back to you, sir. Okay, thank you. Okay. Hi, James. Okay, I have been trying to call David for like ages. He's not picking up. There's a client that needs him to sign the contract and send to them like now. Like we need to do it now. Is there anywhere we can go look for him or something? James, these people give me 2 days. They give me 2 days and that contract is huge. Mr. David has talked about how much that contract means to him. I don't know why he's not acting up and he's not signing it. Fine, just please try. I'll be trying as well. Try. Hello? Yes. Have you heard from him?
Mommy, David hasn't returned home in a week now. He left the house since and he has refused to come back home.
My daughter, please calm down. I want you to just take heart, okay? That is how men behave whenever they want to cheat in peace. All I want you to do for me is to stay strong. Do not let any man break you.
Mom, it's not about him breaking me. I'm just worried, okay? I'm so worried. I've tried calling him. I've been calling. I can't reach him. I've tried to call his office. No one is taking this call. I even called his friend. They've not heard from him. I'm getting so worried at this point. What do? I don't know. It's been over a week. I know we have our issues, but at least he would always come back home. I don't know what to do. I'm really, really worried at this point.
Just calm down, okay? Linda, please calm down. Do not do anything in a rush. I beg you.
I just hope he's fine. I'm just hoping so much that he's not with another woman. Just hope he's fine.
And do not beg him either.
Okay, Mom. I'll talk to you later.
Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. Beyond the glamour, beyond the beauty, lies a broken heart, a monster made by tears and pain. I need to heal, want to breathe again, just to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy of better tomorrow. I need to heal, want to breathe again, cheers to a new start, better version of me, letting go the pain of yesterday, embracing the joy of better tomorrow.
Good afternoon, ma'am. May I please come in? I need to talk to you. Please. I know you're probably wondering why I'm here. I promise you want to hear what I have to say. Your husband has slept at my place twice now. Relax. Nothing happened. Trust me, okay? Just let me finish. Please. Please. The last time he came, he gave me an insight on your marital issue. So I thought it wise to come have a talk with you. Madam, your husband is one of the most faithful men I have come across. I'm serious. I mean, I should know. I work with him more than 10 hours on work days. Not once has that man brought another woman into the office. I have never heard him on the phone romantically with another woman except you. The women in my office, the sexy, beautiful women, he doesn't even look at them because he has eyes for only you. Madam, he didn't tell me everything, so I don't know exactly what the problem is. But whatever it is, please fix it. Don't lose your marriage. Your husband is losing business. That's why I'm here, actually. I know that this is none of my concern, but it's work. And we have deals we need to close. We can't reach him. He's nowhere to be found. Whatever is going on in this marriage is obviously affecting his mental health. Please. Whatever you have on your mind, the scenario you've created, they're all wrong. You are wrong. Your husband has never hugged me. How can he be intimate with someone he's never even given a hug? I really don't have much else to say, so I'll just take my leave. But before I go, I'm going to say this to you. Be careful what you put focus on. Be careful the thoughts that you focus on, so you do not manifest your fears. That's if you believe in manifestation. All right. You have a beautiful home, by the way. Take care.
David. David. David, please don't leave me. Please. Please.
My lawyers will send the divorce papers. Do well to sign them.
No.
Sign and send it to me.
David, please. David, I'm sorry. David, please forgive me, please. I'm sorry. Please. David, please. I am so sorry. Please forgive me.
Forgive you? Forgive you for what? For the fights? For the unnecessary nagging? For what? For suspecting me at every good morning I say to every female that I work with? For what? For sending me out of my own house?
I was paranoid. David. I'm a product of my past.
What past are you a product of? We went for therapy. You stood there. You said nothing. Absolutely nothing. You came back. You said, oh, we shouldn't go for therapy, that we're fine. Look, I'm leaving, please.
No. Oh, I'm sorry. I wasn't ready to talk, okay? If I wasn't ready to let go, okay? I'm sorry.
So what now? You're ready? You're ready now? Well, I'm not ready because I want to leave.
David, please. David, please. David, just listen to me.
You're ready? You're ready to
Please
talk now?
just listen to me. Please. Please, David, just listen to me. Please. When I was 10, I saw my father bring in different women into our home.
That's my babe.
Yes, so...
Ay,
Do you like it?
I need it again.
Wait, I'll give you another one.
Hey! Hey!
Did it shock you?
More than shock. Oh.
Your money is talking.
Where is this
now.
woman? Mama Linda!
Your money is talking.
She's coming, don't worry.
Okay, wait. I need to eat. I need to eat.
Oh, just one more. Keep it there. Keep speaking. Hey!
You love it.
Are you talking about love?
Please, I need to eat.
Okay, go.
Go now.
Okay, give me. Hey, shh. Don't mind that.
Don't mind that. Let's eat. I need to eat. You look good. Let me feed you now. Okay?
You need to eat.
Yes. The food is yummy. And I want to feed you like a baby.
I will first feed you.
Really? Okay, I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
How does it taste?
It's not sweet at all.
She doesn't know how to cook.
She doesn't know how to cook.
Don't worry. You will teach her how to cook.
Yes. And let me do the same too. Take. Look at how you are opening your mouth wide. Calm down. I'm coming. Whoa. You like it?
That's my baby.
Yes, so. And I'm coming again. Wait for the second one. Open. Whoa. Water, okay?
No, it's not cooked. Mama Linda! Where is this woman? Mama Linda! Take this to go and get me cold water.
Hey, she even crying.
Foosh. I beg you.
Come here. Wait, let me do it. Wait, to choke you.
That's my darling.
Tell them to hurry up.
Be fast.
Chief.
Nice. Be fast now.
Chief.
Hurry up. Do fast. That's my darling.
Chief.
Get up. Don't mind them.
Chief.
Go. Hey, shh.
Chief.
Hey.
I watched him hit her with every slight provocation. I watched her shrink. I watched that man destroy her soul. And she did nothing. She said it was for me. Because she wanted peace. So I swore that that would never be me. David, I know better now. I made mistakes. I made so many mistakes and I regret them.
Linda, I've had to suffer for this. I am not your father.
I know that now.
And you are not your mother.
I know. I know better. David, I know better. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, David. Please. David, I can't live without you. David, I promise, okay? I promise. I will work on myself. I will do better. David, but please don't leave me. Please, David. I beg you, please don't leave me. David, give me a second chance. Give this marriage a second chance. I'm begging. David, I cannot live without you. You're my life. I'll be a better person, okay? David, please don't leave me. David, please.
Linda, you will go to therapy with me.
I will go.
You will talk about everything and anything.
Everything.
You will leave no stone unturned.
Not even one. David, I'll work on myself too. I'll
will make sure this marriage works. Please, just give me a second chance. Please, I'm begging. Just a second chance. Please.
I will stay with you then. I would stay with you, Linda. I will stand with you. I will stand beside you. When we got married, I made a vow. A vow to hold, to keep, to love you till death do us apart, through thick and thin, through sickness and health, in plenty and in lack. I would hold on to that vow, Linda. I would hold on to that vow. I will keep my word. And together we will figure this out. Linda, when I say I love you, they're not just my words. I mean that I love you and I will lay my life down for you.
I love you. I love you so much. So much, David. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Come here.